Would you like to have peace of mind, free of unwanted, depressing, or anxious thoughts?
Would you like to have a great marriage or great relationships because you're so relaxed people just want to be around you? Or would you like a closer relationship with God where you can hear His voice and feel His presence?
I know this sounds like an impossible dream, and you're probably skeptical that this is even possible. Even though you're a Christian, you have felt so frustrated and ashamed because you still can't control your thoughts, your feelings, your habits, and reactions.
But it's not an impossible dream. It's actually God's will for you. He wants you to be free in every part of your life right now. You don't have to wait for heaven. In the next few videos, we're going to walk through the key steps so you can live the life you've always dreamed of.
In Romans 12:2, it says to be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Now, I heard that verse quoted many times growing up in the church, but no one told me how. So I was left frustrated, and I bet you are too.
But it's not your fault. No one has told you how to do it. And that's why we're doing these 4 videos, so you will know the steps to transforming your mind.
I've been a mental health physician for over 25 years, and I know how much Christians struggle with these issues.
And I'm a prayer minister who has prayed with so many people who want to be free.
We've taught hundreds of people how to take the steps to personal transformation and come to a new level of freedom they never thought was possible.
So here's how to begin the transformation. To renew your mind, you need to change how you think. So you need to know what are the greatest influences on your thoughts. The Bible says there are 3 parts to humans: spirit, soul, and body. And your soul is the same as your personality, so spirit, personality, and body. And each of these parts has a huge influence on how you think, feel, and relate to others.
In the physical realm of your body, you can have physical conditions that affect your thoughts. And these are the mental health conditions like depression, anxiety, and mood swings. When you have any of these conditions, you lose thought control and can't shut your mind off from thoughts you don't want but can't stop.
And in the spirit realm, Satan hates you and wants to take every opportunity to influence what you're thinking about. So he'll drop thought bombs into your head to distract you and to fill you with negative thoughts and emotions like fear, anger, and bitterness.
Your personality has a huge influence on your thoughts. Personality is shaped by your memories and your conclusions about those events. The memories and conclusions are stored in what we call your emotional baggage. The more baggage you have of painful memories and negative conclusions, the more it will affect your thoughts.
So to begin your transformation and to change the way you think, you need to assess yourself in those 3 areas. Am I struggling with my mood? Is it hard to shut my mind off from unwanted thoughts? Am I under spiritual attack and is Satan trying to distract me with his thoughts? Or do I have a painful past with lots of unhealed wounds that have caused me to believe lies about myself, so I have low self-confidence and low self-esteem?
We have an action plan to change how you think and find the freedom that you've been looking for. When you join the Free Your Mind online video course, we will walk you through the 3 critical steps to renew your mind and be transformed. And you'll have an encounter with God. He's the only one who can change you.
Imagine how much better your life will be when you have healthier thoughts, moods, habits, and reactions. You'll be proud of the person you've become.
But are you willing to do something about it? You don't have to stay stuck the way you are. So we want to invite you to join the Free Your Mind online video program so together we can walk to a new level of freedom you didn't think was possible. So just click on the link on this page to enroll and email us if you have any questions. And watch for the next video in this series where I'll tell you the story of what God taught me through my strange career path and how I got involved in this ministry.